Good morning class 8th chapter number 15 light. Student, we have discussed in last lecture multiple reflection or multiple image. So you can prepare your multiple reflection project and you can take the two plane mirror, a protector, a white sheet of a paper and a drawing board. So you can prepare also this activity also multiple reflection. So now today we will discuss the next topic, kaleidoscope. So you can see there is a diagram also, kaleidoscope. So you can say that it is a simple device and it is used the principle of the multiple reflection to create beautiful and the colorful pattern. You can see also there is a different patterns, beautiful patterns. So it is a simple device. So if we talk about how can you prepare the kaleidoscope, so the construction of the kaleidoscope is very simple. So there are the three plane mirror are stuck together with the tape and to form a triangular shape. You can see this diagram also. There is a three plane mirror and three plane mirror are stuck together with the tape so as to form a triangle shaped prism. And when the color beads are enclosed at the end of the cap made of the transparent sheet and seen through the eyepiece at the other end, the colorful patterns are seen due to the multiple reflection. So it is a device to see the multiple image of the object. There are the three plane mirror and you can see it has the three inclined plane mirror at the angle of the 60-degree. So when you prepare, so you should be note that the angle will be 60-degree to each other. So this arrangement is usually kept in a cylindrical box and has a few pieces of the colored glasses kept at the one end the glass also and other end is the, you can see the colorful glass also. So you can see the beautiful pattern and design due to the multiple image formed by the mirror. There is another device also, periscope, and the periscope also is a device that is used to see the object located at the higher level. In kaleidoscope there are the three plane mirror will be used, but in periscope two mirror are placed parallel to each other and each being at the angle 45-degree to the corner, but in kaleidoscope the angle will be 60-degree. And this periscope is commonly used in the submarine by the military for spying. So both are the very important, kaleidoscope also and periscope also. In kaleidoscope you can see the very colorful pattern also, and this periscope also used by the submarine. Okay, now student, we will discuss the dispersion of light. Dispersion, the splitting or breakdown of the white light into the seven color is known as the dispersion of the light. And the sunlight, it is a made up of the white light, and you know white light is the mixture of the seven color. What are these? Vibgyor. Vibgyor means V violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, orange and red. So student, what do you mean by the dispersion of light? Have you ever seen the rainbow in the sky? So how does the rainbow formed? You know, yes student, a rainbow is formed when the white light from the sun, when the white light of the sun, what will happen when the white light of the sun is falls on a tiny droplets of the water, then it is split into the seven color. How does this happen? Because this white tiny droplets of the water work as a prism. So when the sunlight passes through this water droplets, so it split into the seven color. So the splitting of the white light into the its seven color is known as the dispersion. And this dispersion of the white light can be obtained by a prism. And this was demonstrated by the Sir Isaac Newton and was published in his book Optics in the year 1704. So rainbow is caused due to the dispersion of the light of the sunlight by the water droplets in the atmosphere. So what will happen when the sunlight or white light falls on a tiny droplets of the water? It is split into the seven color. Okay, so student, listen carefully. When a beam of sunlight is passed through a glass prism, it split, or you can say that break down into the seven rainbow colors. So the colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the rainbow is caused due to the dispersion of the sunlight by water drops in the atmosphere. So this is called the dispersion of light. And you can prepare also Newton disc. You can take the CD also when you move with the battery also. So you can see there is a white color. So you can say that the white color is made up of the seven color, and you can say that the seven color mixed together they form the white color. Okay, so I hope you understand this dispersion of light. Okay, now student, you can see this diagram also. Human eye, your human eye, this is a very interesting topic, human eye. So in next video we will discuss the human eye. So everybody know the most remarkable optical instrument is human eye. So you can see the structure of the eye. These are the structure of the eye. These are the parts of the eye: lens, pupil, cornea, iris, ciliary muscles, suspensory ligaments, sclera, retina, okay, optic nerves. So in next video we will discuss the structure of the human eye, okay, and what are the function of the each part of the human eye. Then we will discuss the next topic, defect of the vision: myopia, hypermetropia, myopia, care of the eyes, how can you care of the eyes, and then we will discuss the Braille system. So I hope you understand this topic: kaleidoscope, periscope and dispersion of the light. So what do you mean by the dispersion of the light? The splitting up of sunlight or white light into its color is called dispersion of light. Okay students, take care, bye.